So, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
We know yesterday how was your assembly?
It was good.
So, do I want to continue the assembly or did Jabin ma'am want to come for your assembly today?
Today?
So, do you want me in your assembly or Jabin ma'am?
One day you, one day winner. Like this. Yeah, that is right. That is better.
Actually, Jabin ma'am is just a substitution. I'm a class teacher, so I will be there in the assembly every day. If I am on leave, then only other teacher will come for the assembly. Okay.
Okay.
I think we have to plan for the assembly today, right? Who is going to sing song prayer? Can you please keep mute? You can unmute only when.
Ma'am, can you see me?
Sorry. Yes. I can see you. So, who is going to sing the prayer in this assembly? We don't have much time to waste. It's already late. Come on. Nobody is ready to sing a prayer.
For assembly. Now assembly?
No. It's on one at 1:45.
No, I only had the same prayer only. Yesterday.
Hania, can you do that?
Me?
Hania.
Yeah.
So, I think who can present Dua, can you present the news? I will send it to you.
Today, now, like after the class, then I will present.
Yes. Okay, I will send it to you. Only 4 or 5 pick from that. Okay.
Activity.
Yes, you can do an activity. It's today. Okay. Who is thought of the days? Where is Ruba?
Then I do thought of the day.
Sahara can do the thought of the day. So it's fixed. And if you want to present something during the assembly, you can do that. And I hope we can discuss about the homeworks and all of. Sorry?
I will do that, ma'am. Yeah, you.
Yeah, Ania will do the activity. So shall we move on to the project?
Yeah.
Okay. All others we can discuss during the assembly time. Okay.
Okay.
Screen for you. Everybody, please listen. Okay. I can't repeat it again and again. You have to do something for your project, right?
Yeah.
I hope you can see, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So, the project is about vitamins.
Okay.
I think we have already discussed about the vitamins, minerals, and all, right? So we have just had a brief points about that, right? So we just about the vitamins and minerals we may have studied only 4 or 5 points, right? So in this project, it is a detailed study about vitamins and minerals. I will tell you what you have to do. Okay, please listen very carefully. Okay. So first we have to discuss about there are 4 or 5 subtopics. It is a project that is given in your textbook itself. Okay, in your learner's book. So I just made this slide for you to make it understand more easier. Okay, I will post it in the share it to the assignment classroom. There you can check again. Okay. So this is vitamin. This is about what is the discovery of vitamin C. That is the first point. Discovery. Do you know discovery? When it is when it.
Aisha teached us. Yeah, but I forgot. What was it? Can you
So
explain
who first identify that like that? From where did we get? Yes, from where did we get the idea of vitamins and who first? Yes.
Like one thing was covered and just take that covered
Yes,
thing
yes.
and
So
it's
actually,
discovered.
what is discovery and invention? Both are actually same ones. So what is the difference between discovery and invention? So there is a difference.
Ma'am, invention.
There is a difference between discovery and invention.
Invention means a new
Yes,
thing,
yes,
right?
yes. That's it. Invention.
Discovery means that's already
Yes.
there. Then we just find it.
We just what do some observation or experiments or like that.
Like ma'am, gravity. Like gravity is already
Yes.
there. But after Newton's law only we
Yes,
understand
yes,
it,
yes.
right?
But invention, but this computer, mobile phone, these are invention, right? These are these we made something new, right? Yes,
New, yes.
that's invention. So very good, very good. You are, you know that, right? So this is how the investigation about the vitamins started. This is a story about how how we discover vitamins. Okay, James Lind. His name is James Lind. He was a Scottish doctor. Okay, James Lind was a Scottish doctor. Scottish doctor means he is a person Indian.
Scott. What
Yes,
Scotland?
yes, yes. So
Scotland. That he's from Indian. So Scottish means
from
he's from
Scotland.
Scotland.
Okay, so he is a Scottish doctor who lived 300 years ago. Okay, I think you understand that. 300 years ago, he lived a doctor named James Lind was lived in Scotland. And from that time, wrote that I think you know who is a captain of the sea, right? Captain of a ship. Captain of a ship. Have you heard about that, Dua?
Ma'am, I can't hear you. Yeah, I thought it was my network issue. Nobody can hear. Ma'am, rejoin. Rejoin. Just say.
Nothing, no problem.
We can't hear.
No?
Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Okay.
Okay, okay.
I thought it was my network issue because I couldn't hear.
If you have any such issue, you should tell to me.
Again. Half we can hear, half we can hear.
Actually, there is hear you? No?
No.
So I can I continue? Is it okay?
Yes.
So a sea captain. I think you know who is a sea captain, right? A ship, a captain in a ship. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, who is a man who can lead all the activities of that.
Like decides
Yes,
plans
yes.
and all, right?
To where the ship has to move, if there is any problem with the climate or to which direction it has to be changed. All these are controlled by the captain of that ship. Okay, so from that time he wrote that on a long sea voyage, I think you know what is a voyage. Voyage means it's a ship-like thing. Ship. Okay. Okay. At that time, there are it is 300 years ago, right? At that, so it's not a very big ship like yes. Nowadays. Okay. So there are 380 sailors on that voyage. Okay. So just for your easiness, just use word ship. Okay. there were 380 sailors in that ship, and sorry, 380. There were actually 510 sailors in the ship. Okay, but 380 were left because all others get died of some disease. Okay, so at that time while they travel, they took too much of time. Sometimes they travel from one place to another, right? Through ship. So at that time, it's not that much. They don't have much technologies, motors, and like that. So they may move according to the speed of the wind and all. Okay, so that in that so one day, this captain wrote something about their traveling in that time. Okay, in that time, what happened? 510 sailors go to somewhere. They may go to somewhere. So out of that, 380 sailors go died. Okay, out of 510, 380, 510, 380 sailors died out of a disease. Okay, the name of that disease is scurvy. Scurvy. I think scurvy. 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 No one knew why the sailors go. Sorry, Sarah. It's a disease. Okay,
Cold scurvy.
died. Okay, 380 died in that ship during that travel. Okay, you understand?
Yes.
So no one knew why the sailors got the disease, how it prevent or cure. Like that, when the COVID come out, we don't know how it come, how can you cure it, how to prevent, like that, right? So we just know the name COVID-19, right? So like this, these people know the name of the disease that it is scurvy, but they don't know how it come, how it can be prevented, or how it can be cured. Okay. So doctors assume that it may be enough food, bad water, too much of hard work. Okay. So at that time, the sailors have to in the sea, right? So they may have some what dried fruits or like that. Okay, they have to carry such food that they do not get decomposed easily. They do not get what damaged easily, spoiled easily. So such food they only carry with them. Improper digestion. Who is it the case to everyone? Can you hear me?
Yes. Ma'am, we can hear you, but we know half of. Yeah. Hear you, ma'am. Sometimes
You can mute. You can mute. When if you want, if you want to talk to me, then only you can unmute and talk to me. Okay, then it will be easy. Okay, so their living condition will be good. Their living. Hania PT, please mute.
Anya,
Okay.
mute.
So in their condition is have to work hard in that voyage. They didn't get much good water, right? They have to carry water. Sometimes the water may get over exhausted or like that. At that time, they didn't get any pure water from anywhere. Okay, if we travel in land, we can buy water from somewhere, right? So it's not the case in the water. It's not the case in the sea. Okay. So they didn't get good water. They didn't get good food. At that time, what happened? The digestion. They may have some digestion problems, and they have to work hard inside that. They have to meet with very difficult conditions. Okay. And maybe because at that time, now don't think about these ships nowadays we have. Nowadays in the ship we have all the facilities with food there, right? So it is not the case 300 years before. Okay, so they don't may have any proper toilet facilities, proper water, bed, place to sleep or like that. Not they have to work hard for their survival. So doctors assume that because of this damn conditions they got this disease. Okay, they caught this disease. Then what happens is James Lynn wanted to find more about this scurvy. So he want to learn about this more, and he read the medical reports and carry out an investigation. So he collect the medical reports of that sailors who died, and he carried out an investigation on that. Okay, and he found that the symptoms are, so symptoms of scurvy are sores on their bodies and the bleeding gums. Sore, I think you know, right? Some reddish colored, what I don't know how to explain it. Skin become, yeah, a sore throat means when we feel some infections in the throat, right? So like that the skin may get infected and it will become reddish colored with some what bulging or like that. Okay, pimple like things or some rashes or that type of things on their bodies. Okay, and they have bleeding gums. Do you know what is gums? Gum means your tooth is placed inside the gums.
Yeah,
In the
but
mouth, in the mouth, your tooth is placed inside the gums. That part is called gums. Here. Okay. So what happen is blood will come out of that gums.
what I don't understand.
Gum. Yes.
Like
No,
tooth
tooth
fall
will
and
be
the
there,
blood comes
but the blood
in
will
that place.
that.
That is not. Yeah,
Right?
that I know.
Mona. Yes, so through that
What? Mona,
blood
yes,
will
Mona.
come. So this is the disease. Okay. So these are the symptoms of that disease.
Mm. Mm.
But tested 6 different treatments they had. Okay. So still they have that disease. Okay. So then the James Lind tested 6 different treatments. Let's see what are the different treatments. Okay. Each day, 2 sailors given an apple drink. People there are total 12 sailors who have that disease. Okay. So for 2 sailors, he give apple drink. Sorry.
Ma'am, is this in the textbook?
So 2 sailors give for 2 they give sea water. To other 2 they give mixture of garlic, mustard and dried radish root. So it is to test what deficiency make this disease. They are giving with different types of food, and in order to understand which deficiency causes this disease. Okay. So for 2 they give apple drink, to give 2 they give seawater, another 2 they have mixture of garlic. I think you know garlic, like, right? Garlic, mustard. I think you know also what is mustard. Mustard and dried radish root. Root of radish, dried radish root. Okay. And for the another group, yes. So 6 covered, right? For the 6, it is over. Again 6% are left, right? So for the next two, they give vinegar. You know what is vinegar? Okay. Two were given sulfuric acid. He gave weak sulfuric acid, strong sulfuric acid, weak, mild sulfuric acid is given.
Yes, yeah. Vinegar, surka,
Miss Hania, please mute. So why are you, if you can't hear me, why did you?
Ma'am, what's the meaning of
So
sulfuric
last
acid?
two, they give oranges and lemons. They will be the most what lucky persons, right?
Yeah.
They have to eat orange and lemon, and the other apple drink. It is okay. All others is very terrible, right? Okay. So let's see what happened. So this is the fine after 14 days. This is the final result. Okay. Can you see that column?
Yeah.
So apple drink has some improvement and all others yes, then they have no signs of scurvy. The scurvy, that means they don't have the disease, they get free of the disease. They are okay, they are completely okay. Yes, and all others have no improvement in that. So apple drink has some improvement and the oranges and lemon give the complete relief for disease. Okay.
Oh, then orange's level is so strong.
It's not the scared of, it's because of deficiency of something that is in the oranges and lemon.
No sign of
Okay, it's
scurvy.
because of the deficiency of
Yeah,
that thing
I think
present in the oranges and lemon.
get scared of orange and lemon.
A cure for scurvy is lemon, orange, that or citric
Yeah.
fruits, right? Citrus fruits.
Yeah.
All these contain vitamin C. Okay, all these oranges, all these are each content of vitamin C, and that because of the deficiency of vitamin C, the scurvy, the disease scurvy is
Yeah.
affected to the person. Okay, those person who have the deficiency of vitamin C will get affected by this disease scurvy. Okay. Only the fruits and vegetables prevents and cures the scurvy. Okay, so this is the so scurvy is yes, yes. Okay, so vitamin C is the reason. So is the thing that can cure scurvy. So another words, scurvy is a disease that is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. Okay.
Ma'am, they called it as vitamin. Before that, no one knows it, right?
So these are the questions that's given in your textbook. So you have two, yes, Mazin mute. So you have two works for this project. First one is you have to answer all these questions, and that is one assignment. Okay. I think you understand what happened, what I have told. You understand the whole story, how the vitamin C is discovered, right? Do you understand? So I hope you can answer it. I will explain each question. Don't answer it now. You have to write an answer. You can do two things. You can write it or you can make a PDF or presentation. You can type it. Okay. Both are acceptable. You can write it or you can type it. And one thing while I
Yes,
Check
yes.
your homeworks. Your handwriting is amazing. Nice handwriting. I just um, give that comment when I return to the return the homeworks. Please do check it. Your most of yours handwriting is very good. You write it
Thank
very
you.
neatly and very legibly. That's I'm very happy to see that because even in higher classes the students may not have this much good handwriting. It's very difficult for me to read the answers in a G8. Their answers is very difficult. I have to go like this. What is this? I have to find out what is it. So your handwriting is very, very legible and very neat. I think only one or two have to improve that. I'm not telling their names. I commented it in your assignment itself. Okay. Okay, just go and check who want to improve your handwriting and legibility and all. But it's amazing. Zahra is so today I checked Zahra's Hania's and Duas, I think. Masin is also the Masins are also I checked today. Duas not is
Thank
not today,
you.
right? When did you submit the homework? Yeah, yes. I already checked it before. Today I checked Hariam, Zahra's, and Mazin's.
Okay.
All are both three of you write very well, and Mazin is writing in running letters, and it is very rare. Yes, cursive letters, and it is very rare in this maze. I see some have write this cursive. All are writing.
I submitted a long time ago.
Yes, yes. Actually, no. Other schools, offline schools, it is most of the uh, English teachers prefer in writing in cursive. So in my children's
Yeah,
school,
cursive letters,
yes,
right?
they have separate books for write cursive, and all the teachers instruct them to write in cursive. Their notes and all.
Ma'am,
Actually,
before I used to
till
write
the
in
last
cursive
year, my
before, like
daughter,
before school,
sorry,
but now I forgot how to write it because I'm only writing in long letters.
legible that is easy to read. Some it's
Thank
very
you.
difficult to
Yeah, I have
what
3 or 4 books for
read.
joining
When some
cursive
person
books.
write it in running letters or cursive writing, it is some letters is not distinguishable. We cannot understand is it R or N or S like that. So it's okay. Your handwriting is good, legible, and it's very nice. And you write it very
What is the
neatly.
meaning
That's
of
the first thing.
legible
You
writing?
from that we can understand. You do it very what is that word? What
Thank you.
is not just to complete the homework. You don't. Okay, you take not just oh I have to complete it or like that. Not like that. You write it very. I forgot that word. I didn't get. That's panche. That means very atmartha. What is the word of that? So I forgot that word. So then you like that. So, okay, so these are the questions. This is the first work of this project. Actually, this project has two parts. This is the first work. You have to
Ah, we did
questions
it by
and
like
find your own
confusing.
answers and write and send it to me. Okay, this is your first project. Okay,
Punctually. Understand for me to understand.
uh, your class timing is still
Ah,
1:15,
yes,
right?
yes. I know that word. I forgot.
I think it's still 12:15 to 1:15, right? So we have time. So we have to. So what are the effects of scurvy on the body? So what are the symptoms of scurvy? That is the first question. Okay. Next, what did doctors long ago think caused scurvy? Okay. So there is a sentence
Let me check
itself
now.
in the this PDF.
If you say Indian time, it will be confusing for me. That's why.
It's
Yes, Minister, right? Yeah, 1:15. One five. Yeah, we have time. We have a lot of time.
These may be the reasons for the scurvy. So they assume some reasons that you have to write. So next is, how did James Lind find more about scurvy? So you have to write about how what investigation he did and like that. Okay, how he find out. Okay, what, and so you have in that question you have to write what is
Ma'am,
the investigation.
it's
So
they
what he
asking
tries to
before
he do
James Lind
for
find
the
out
12 sailors.
what that they thought.
Okay, that's it. What he do for the 12 sailors. That's it. So which was the best treatment for scurvy in the Lynn's investigation? Okay, which was the best treatment? You know that. Okay, which was the treatment? How do you know this? And how you can understand? Because after 14 days, you get that result, right? From that, do you understand this is the best treatment? So how did you think improvement? So, okay, why did you think sailors who had appetite showed some improvement? So, because fruits and vegetables are good for. Yes, yes. Okay, but it is not a citrus. It can do not apple do not contain too much
Then where is
of
that
vitamin
question?
C
How
is
do
not in the
you
vitamin. Yes, in citrus fruits, this vitamin is more. I think you know what is citrus fruit that
why
have
do
some
you think the
sour,
sailors
sour
okay
and
who
all.
had
Okay.
that apple drink? Okay.
So what could Lind conclude from this investigation? So you have to write what is the conclusion. So in a separate
Yeah,
slide, I
fruits
give
has
the Lind's
vitamins.
conclusion.
Then apple also has little bit vitamins. Mm. Mm. Yeah.
Point. Okay.
Still, yeah.
You have to
Orange
focus
and
on the
all
last
has that
point of
much.
that slide. Let's see.
Yeah.
I guess.
Mm.
So, what could Lind
Yeah.
conclude
Yes.
from this investigation? How has
Yes.
our
Yeah.
knowledge about scurvy since Lind's time? Say why this happened. So, how our knowledge before that, our knowledge was what was our knowledge about scurvy?
Yeah.
We
Conclusion.
think that
Ma'am, that
not
big
we,
conclusion
the
was
people
like.
of that time think that it is because of what the damp
Ah,
condition,
okay.
because of the food they
Okay.
eat, because of the digestion problems and all, right? They think like that.
Ma'am, I cannot
After
hear
the
you.
investigation,
Can you repeat?
yes,
Okay. Okay.
yes.
Okay. Yeah.
This
That was
you
too
have
important,
to
right?
focus on
Mm.
what was it thinking and before and after. You have to think before what was and after what was. Okay, and say why this happened. Say why this
Hmm?
happened means it more on that. Okay, find the right solution for that disease. Right. Why this happened is because of the Lynn's curiosity to find the right
Yeah.
treatment for that, right?
Yeah, but that's the answer of what
Lynn's.
did doctors long ago think caused scurvy, right? Mm.
There are so many questions here. What are the effects of scurvy on the body of children?
Okay. Mm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Actually, what happened is first I just typed like this, and then I feel it is a very blank. So I like this, and I forgot to delete that slide.
And say why this happened? What?
Just a blank slide, right? Must attract these, so then I add some pictures.
Yeah. Lynn's curiosity. Yes. Yes. Mm.
So this second one actually. Which food contains vitamin? This is you
Hmm.
have to do some research.
Ma'am,
That
ma'am, you are
questions, in that
saying
question, the
they
research
can
is
take
already
points.
given to you. You have to pick answer from that. Right? So this is for yes. Actually, this is for your But this is your research. Research or do some books or
Okay, okay.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
You have to find. No, you have to. I will tell you what do you have to write.
Yeah, but we discussed it in the
You
old
have. This is
dimension.
a question. You understand? A, B, some subgroups also. Vitamin B12, B like that. Okay, you have to research on that also. Vitamin C, D, E, and K. And you have to make it chart,
Oh,
make a table. Okay, you have to make a table on
yeah.
that. So I
Now
will
we have to
explain what
find
you
some
have to
internet
add,
and
what
books.
you have to find out about. Don't worry. So this is task. Find out the answer to the question given in the eighth slide. So that question we had just
Ma'am, we have to find the
discussed.
source.
This is
Vitamin
your
A,
task.
vitamin B, vitamin C.
First is you have to find the answers
Oh, vitamin
from
K.
the investigation that is already given in your textbook. And we can do a discussion in the classroom. Okay. After you have completed all the questions and submitted, I will discuss it in the classroom about the question. So when I ask you the question, first. Okay. So at that time when I ask you, you should be prepared with your answers. When I ask you that question, you have to tell the answer. Okay. Let's make it as a discussion. Everything, all the answers and all, after submitting that to me, we can discuss in the classroom. Understand? Okay. Next is you have to research. I think we can do the first one first. After completing that, we can go to the next one. Otherwise, you will get.
This question,
Sorry.
this work, no? Other questions. Ah, okay.
Yes, that's wait, Dua. I want to ask you something. Do I want to explain the two activities today itself, or I think it's better we can complete the first one day, and after that we can move to the next one. Otherwise, you first. Okay, so you got confused. So first you did that questions. Okay. This question. Okay, this question you have to complete. After
Ma'am,
that,
what is the title? There is a like prepare a vitamin chart or album including
what other
what's that title?
we can discuss it about the other. Okay, so when you can complete this questions and answers?
Ah, yeah.
Actually, my
Yes,
questions
that's
for
much
this
better.
term is over.
Yeah. Like, ma'am, maybe we'll
My
think
questions for
half
this
this
term is
one and
over.
half other one.
Um,
Half this work and that
yes,
mixed.
I
It will
will
be like,
come to your class for the
our
assembly
brain
only.
will, yeah, confused.
That's what I have
Yeah,
a
that, but
confusion
that one,
how
what are the
we have
effects
to
of,
do
yeah, yes, this
this.
one.
Uh, Otherwise, one thing is we can
Full,
give
full.
that class to other teachers. In between, I will take the class. I will inform you it is my class. Then other time we can do the other one,
Okay,
other
okay, other
discussion.
activity.
Sorry,
Ma'am, will you give 1 week? Now we'll do before 1 week.
but today you just go through these questions and we can discuss the other one tomorrow. Okay. Then we can
And other
yes,
teachers
yes,
come?
yes. You just read this portion and all, and tomorrow I
Like
will
hiding
explain the
them.
other one. And I think I will give you 1 week for completing all these works. That's okay. you have a very small chap lesson forthcoming. So, and we have to conduct a unit test, right? So I will do it. I didn't prepare the questions. I will
Ma'am,
inform
then
you.
you can take
Tomorrow I will tell you when you have the unit
tomorrow.
test.
Tomorrow we have science, right? We can discuss that tomorrow.
Okay. Actually, we have done with one quizzes, right? Then you know the first part. Only you have to focus
Yeah.
on the second part,
Like
which is
just find the
writing.
answers today, and we can write another day.
Okay,
Like
so
we can write
just
right.
go through that. So try to start from today itself. We can do it in the next day. Okay, within. Okay,
Okay. Mm.
any
Yeah,
doubt?
that's okay.
This portion first, not the project, the lesson.
Ah, yeah.
Workbooks. Sorry,
Okay.
I didn't get you.
Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah, 4.2
Yes, yes,
only.
yes.
Balanced diet. Mm.
Actually, the baby is screaming, not crying, because of she buzzing. Wait a minute.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. What did I? Eh?
No.
No doubt, ma'am. All of it.
So, do you have any doubt in any portions? You can ask me now. You have 5 more minutes.
Ma'am, 4.1 workbook some questions are there, right?
No doubt.
Wait a minute, ma'am. I think her baby is crying.
Wait. Actually, I didn't check that. Which one is that? Dua, which one is that? Can you me once more? Challenge in 4.1 or 4.2? 4.
What?
Okay, so actually, we have only 4 minutes left. I think we can do it next day. So thank you for remembering me that we can do. So next day we can discuss that project part also, second part of the project, and also the
Ma'am,
challenge
one for
part
the
of the work.
4.1,
Okay, then we can complete the whole portions.
some
Okay.
questions was there, right? And you said you didn't have that slides. I'll make that slides and
Thank you. We
we
can
can do
wait.
that.
Bye. Yes, yes, you have 3 minutes, only 3 minutes. I think you can take. Okay, see you at the assembly. Bye, bye. Love you.
That is
Yes,
challenge.
dear. Thank you, thank you. Bye, dear
Okay,
Sarah.
give them 4.1, 4.1,